Hey, what's up, guy? This is VG, and so this is a trailer of this maze game. Okay, so now, right, up to 1 week or 3 months, I am making so many. I mean, not only I just make 11 videos of my tutorials, like of scratch only. Okay, but now I'm going to make an easy, fun, and very tricky game. Okay. So now let's see what is this game. So now let's shift to our game. Right. Okay, so let's shift to it and I will tell you how to play it. Yeah. Okay, so like this you can see this is a maze game. Here we have to solve. So like it's really fun and very easy game. So just in a day you can, or in a minute you can make this game. Just you need some clicks and also some small coding and then over. Okay, so like this, here you see it's the cat. Right here is the cat and she want to go right this cross, so just help her to cross. How to do that? So yeah, and when I was making this game, I was feeling very spooky that time, because like that this sprite was going off the wall. It's really like the spooky horror things. Yes, okay. But yeah, what about, and yeah, just like this game and my explanation. Is that good? Yes? Okay, just leave it. And I will tell much about this game on the final tutorial video of this game. So just share this video for your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. There's a subscribe button, subscribe, and also like button. Bye. Oh yeah. And also I was just telling that I'm gonna change the logo and my name, but no, I was just joking. So just leave out the logo and the name, and just concentrate if you want on this tutorials. Bye bye.